Okay, we're gonna try this bug screen out. So I took these out of the package. There's two of them. You gotta get the green side for the passenger. Oh, there's another one with a white tag, that's the driver's side. So here's the little hole where the mirror goes through. It's pretty small. These mirrors are big. Okay, there's the install. Not very pretty, is it? So we got a screen here, mesh screen over the window. This seam is not where I thought it would be. Maybe I should get the bigger one, but it seems to fit because here's the edge and there's no gap, so there's no bug that's going to come in there. And then this is where the gap is for the mirror, but no gap on this side, so no bug's going to get in there. If no bug's going to get in from here or up in here, then this won't matter because it doesn't really fit on the inside. I mean, maybe I'm not putting it in correctly. Maybe I've got to pull it all the way down. I don't know. But if no bugs are coming in from the outside, they're not going to come in from this side. And the window rolls up and down in here. So there's that. I got to play around with it more. I don't know if I have it on correct, but hey, this is better than nothing because bugs aren't looking for little spaces in. They fly right in. So this is gonna work, I think. I was gonna create a custom one out of a screen, the kind that you get at Home Depot. This stuff right here. But this works better. It's got the elastic, it's sewn in, the seams are nice and tight. Somebody like me that gets chewed up by insects and you want to go out there and keep your windows down and keep cool wherever you're boondocking or urban parking, I think this little mesh window cover is the thing for you. Good stuff. See, that's on the inside. Here's the outside. And it fits snug out here. So nothing's getting in under that into your window. Cool stuff. And it fits right over this big ass mirror. Cool. Eesh. Comes with this little zippy Ziploc bag. And it fits right in your side pocket. Just like that. So we got ourselves a little handle now, which works nicely. It's got a good little aesthetic there. Just need to put a little carpet or some kind of insulation, something to blend that better. But I'm keeping the storage here with this. Eventually I'd like to put a box and have it come out because it goes in about, I don't know, 4, and then you can come out about 4, so you get a nice, 8-inch deep box. But for now, since I took the plastic off, I lost my handle. So I went to Lowe's and got me some pipe, because when you shut this door and you want to come inside, what happens is if you don't have a handle and you're coming in and you want to shut this door, I either got to grab it up here or down here or from here. So now we've got a nice solid handle. I push, that'll close that up nicely, and it looks kind of cool. I think I want to put one maybe up here, because my little wife has a hard time climbing into this thing, and it's not raised, but she's small. But there's a nice little handle idea for you guys. I think it costs about 10 bucks total for all the pieces. So you need 2 of these, I forget what they call them, floor clamps, 2 elbow pipes, connectors, and then one of these. This is an 8-inch pipe. I believe it's a 1-inch diameter. But yeah, it's a nice solid, looks good, matches. Simple handle. Cool. Oh, and this is not my idea, by the way. I stole this idea from Chrome, Van City Van Life on YouTube. Go check out his channel. I pretty much based this layout on his layout after sitting here thinking that I came up with this layout. Looking at his van, he did the same thing, and originally I was going to have cupboards up here, but I put them on this side like he did, just because of weight distribution. If I would have had all the cupboards up there, everything would have been leaning on this side with all the weight of the water, all the weight of the butcher block, and all this wood here. Everything would have been leaning to my side. So took this half and built on this side. Yepers. Oh, check this out. We got this bad boy coming soon, and I want to put this up. Again, stole the idea from Chrome. I'm an idea stealer. You know what Picasso said? Good artists take, great artists steal. I'm not saying I'm a great artist, but definitely stealing ideas. So looking to put that there. I'm no electrician. If anybody knows a good electrician in the SoCal area by LAX, please let me know. I'll hire them and have them hook all this up for me, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Here's the wires. They're all going to come up here, and then I'm going to put them inside this little closet area, and then have the battery down here in the corner. So yeah, any electricians out there that want to work on a little project, maybe work on it for a day, hit me up. Or I'm just going to do this myself and learn the hard way. Subscribing.